Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Good morning.
Sir, Assalamualaikum.
How are you all?
We are fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Any homework was given?
No, sir.
Okay. So we have already finished learning about the most common punctuation marks in English, and we have already got started with practicing punctuation marks and capital letters. So today we shall practice more. Are you ready for the practice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today will be the last day of practicing isolatedly the topic punctuation marks, and after today, that means from next day, we shall get started with another topic. So take your copy in hand and then start writing. The screen is here. Yes, I do believe that you can see. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then get started. You will start from 136. You'll write in your copy using proper punctuation marks and capital letters, and one by one, I'll give you the solution. When your writing is over, you will raise your hand, and when I get the maximum participants raised hand, then I'll give the solution. Those who join late, start from 136. You will rewrite using punctuation marks and capital letters. Yes, I have already got a participant who has done. So wait a bit for others to finish. Okay, I have got many participants. So let's go through the solution of 136 first. Try to match it. I am speaking and you will try to match it. Have you taken your tiffin today? Father said to me. No, I replied. Alas, you will not be able to be attentive in the class for this reason. I'm sorry, I'll follow your advice. So we know that we get here two persons, father and me. That means two persons are taking part in this conversation. So quotation mark starts, then have H capital. So have you taken your tiffin today? After today, there will be question mark, then quotation marks close. Father said to me. After me, there will be full stop. Then again quotation mark starts, no N capital. After no, there will be comma, then quotation mark closes, I capital. Okay, comma can be put after quotation marks or before quotation marks, no problem. No, I replied. After replied, there will be full stop. Quotation mark starts, alas, A capital. After alas, there will be note of exclamation. Then Y capital. You will not be able to be attentive in the class for this reason. After reason, this reason, there will be again full stop, then quotation mark closes. Again quotation mark starts, I capital. I'm sorry. After sorry, there will be full stop. Then again I capital. I will follow your advice. After advice, there will be full stop. Then quotation marks closes. So any variation in 136, or do you have any question? Do you have any? Those who have raised hand, do you have any question regarding this or any variation?
No, sir.
Everything
sir.
is okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now lower your hand and tell me who got 5 out of 5. That is maximum. Okay, all are okay. Good. Yes. I have got many a candidate. Yes, it's nice to see. Okay, do 137. In the same way, do 137. If you have any variation or if you have any question, you should feel free to ask me, because I am here to give you solution, not to make you practice only. But the ultimate goal of practicing is to find out the mistakes and treat the mistakes so that we can do correct in next phase. One 137 done, Shama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait a bit. Yes, I have got the maximum. Okay, let's get started. 137. What can I teach you? Asked Nasiruddin. You don't know, replied the students. You are students, but you don't know anything, so I can't teach you anything, said Nasiruddin. So we can see that here are two parties, Nasiruddin and another one student. So let's get started. Quotation marks start, that's why W will be capital. What can I will be capital. What can I teach you? After teach you, there will be question mark, then quotation marks close. Asked Nasiruddin, Nasiruddin in capital. After Nasiruddin, there will be full stop. Then again quotation mark starts, we W capital, we don't. That means in don't, there will be an apostrophe, we don't know. After no, there will be quotation mark closes, then comma. Comma can be before or after the quotation marks, no problem. Reply the students, after students, there will be full stop. Then again quotation mark starts, you capital, you are students, comma, but you don't apostrophe, you don't know anything. After anything, there will be full stop. Then so S capital, so comma, I capital, can't, there will be apostrophe, I can't teach you anything. After anything, there will be again quotation mark closes, then comma, said Nasiruddin in capital. After Nasiruddin, there will be full stop. So this time, any question or any variation? Adrita,
No, sir.
everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Purbara, any variation?
No, sir.
Okay, yes. Before but here you have to put a comma. Okay, this is an interesting story actually, because প্রথম দিন গিয়ে নাসিরউদ্দিন জিজ্ঞাসা করলো যে তোমরা কি জানো, কি পড়তে চাও, তোমাদের কি পড়ানো উচিত? তখন বললো যে আমরা কিছু জানি না। তখন সে বলল যে তোমরা জানো না, তাহলে ঠিক আছে, তোমরা শিক্ষার্থী, তারপরেও তোমরা কিছু জানো না, আমি তোমাদের পড়াবো না। তো তারা স্টুডেন্টরা দুঃখ প্রকাশ করে ক্ষমা টমা চেয়ে তাকে আবার নিয়ে আসলো, নিয়ে আসার পরে বললো আজকে তোমাদের কি পড়াবো? তখন তারা বললো যে তোমরা কি জানো? তখন তারা বললো যে জি জানি। তখন বললো তোমরা তো সবকিছু জানোই, তাহলে আর তোমাদেরকে আমি কি পড়াবো? বুঝতে পেরেছো? Am I clearly audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
মানে গল্প যে বললাম নিশ্চয়ই শুনতে পাওনি কেউ, তাই না?
না, স্যার, শুনতে পেরেছি।
Okay, do 138 quick.
স্যার আপনি মিউট হয়ে গেছেন।
আমি মিউট হয়ে যাইনি, মিউট করে রেখেছি। Sometimes the network is unstable and I may sing the sargama. If you are done with, you will raise your hand. 138. I have got 2 students. Be more. No boys, only girls. I have got 5 or 8 and all are boys here. Sorry, girls here. No boys yet. সৈকত অবশেষে একজনকে পাওয়া গিয়েছে। Okay, let's get the solution. Okay, Shama raised hand first. Shama, you speak out.
Quotation mark started. D capital. Do not worry about few mistakes. Full stop. Quotation mark closes. Said the teacher. Full stop. Quotation mark started. Y capital can learn a lot through your mistakes. Full stop. Quotation mark closes. Quotation mark started. Do we learn from our mistakes? প্রশ্নবোধক তারপর হচ্ছে quotation marks stopped. Ask the boy. Full stop. Quotation mark started. Is এর পরে quotation. তারপর T. Eat funny, comma sir. Question. Quotation mark closes. Quotation mark start. Yes, comma we learn, comma of quotation mark closes. Replied the teacher. Full stop. Think এর আগে হচ্ছে quotation mark started. Think T capital deeply, comma you will comprehend it. Full stop. Quotation mark closes.
You committed a few mistakes. Okay, so there will be quotation marks start, then do not, that means there will be do, D capital, then mistakes. After mistakes there will be no full stop. You told full stop, there will be comma, quotation marks close, then said the teacher, then full stop, then quotation mark starts. Y capital, you can learn a lot through your mistakes, then full stop, quotation marks close, then again quotation marks start. Do you learn? So here D will be capital. Do you learn from our mistakes? This is a question, so question mark. Quotation marks close. Ask the boy. There will be full stop. Again quotation marks start. Then isn't. That means I will be capital and there will be apostrophe. But you told quotation. Shama, be careful about apostrophe, comma. So isn't it funny, sir? Funny, after funny there will be comma. Sir, it may be capital or small, no problem at all. Then question mark, quotation mark closes. Again quotation marks start. Then yes, Y capital, after yes there will be comma. We learn, again comma, then quotation marks close. Replied the teacher, full stop. Then quotation mark starts. Think, T capital, think deeply. This is a complete sentence. Then full stop. Then you will comprehend. The meaning of comprehend is to understand. You will comprehend. Then full stop, quotation marks close. So any question in 138?
Sir, think deeply পরে কমা দিয়ে যদি y ছোট হাতের দিয়ে সমস্যা হবে।
Yes, because this is a complete sentence, imperative sentence, complete. Think deeply, full stop. Don't understand? Because imperative sentence is not repeated here. অর্থাৎ think deeply, এরপরে যদি আরো একটা ইম্পারেটিভ বাক্য থাকতো তখন কমা নেওয়া যেত, কিন্তু think deeply, this is a complete imperative sentence and next sentence is assertive sentence, so there will be full stop. Is it clear? So any question in 138? কারো প্রশ্ন আছে কোথাও? নেহা, is everything okay? Roll number 3, Neha. I'll call you twice. If you don't respond, obviously you will be removed from the meeting. এই ঘোষণা আমি অনেক আগেই দিয়ে রেখেছি তোমাদের। দুইবার কল করব, না শুনতে পেলে আনমিউট না করলে আমি মিটিং থেকে ডিলিট করে দেব। Sorry for the network interruption. Actually, network is very much unstable since last night. So, start doing on 39. Do on 39. Do quick. Okay. Let's get the solution of 139. Adrita, speak out.
The teacher said to the students, comma, quotation mark started, do you know that English is everybody's language? Question marks, quotation mark closes. Quotation mark started, now we know it. Full stop, but Bangla is our favorite language and we love it very much. Comma, quotation mark closes, as they said. Full stop.
Okay, match it. That means the teacher said to the students, there will be comma, then quotation mark starts. Do you know D capital? Do you know that English is the name of a language, so proper noun, U will be capital. English is everybody's language. Possessive, everybody's. So everybody, then apostrophe, then S. Everybody's language now. অর্থাৎ প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে, তোমরা কি জানো এখন ইংরেজি সকলের ভাষা? সো ইংরেজি এখন সবার ভাষা। এই নাওটা এর পাশেই হবে। সো কমা, দেন নাও, then question mark, quotation mark ends. We know it. আমরা এটা জানি. This was the answer of the students. So we know it. Then they made another comment, but Bangla is our favorite language and we love it very much. Then comma, quotation mark closes. Then they said full stop. So any variation here on 39?
No, sir.
What?
নাও এর আগে স্যার কমা না দিলে হবে না?
না দিলে হবে কিনা, that is a question, but you should give. In that cases, এরকম কেসে দিতে হয়। বুঝতে পেরেছো? নাও যদি মাঝখানে থাকে তখন না দিলে হয়, কিন্তু নাও কোনো বাক্যের শেষে থাকলে এরকম দিতে হয়। শুধু নাও না, কোনো অ্যাডভার্ব, যে অ্যাডভার্ব গুলো অ্যাডভার্ব অফ টাইম বোঝালে এরকম দিতে হয়। 140, do 140. Do quick. Okay, I have got the maximum. So 140, speak out. Sumaya, roll number 12.
R capital letter, Raju reads in class 4, full stop. Full stop. Nah. R capital letter, Raju reads in class 4 this year, full stop. Capital letter, he wants to change his school, full stop. F capital letter, for this, comma, he is working hard to prepare himself for the admission test, full stop. B capital letter, but he often gets disappointed and misses his friends, full stop. H capital letter, he wants to be with his friends playing in the open field, full stop.
Okay, you committed mistakes. First one is class will be C capital, for there will be F capital. Then for this there will be a comma. Do you understand? Then before but there will be a full stop. Then but B capital. Then there will be full stop after friends. Then he is capital. And before playing there will be again comma. And at the last there will be full stop. So any question in 140?
স্যার আমরা তো সাধারণত স্যার ক্লাস বা এগুলোর আগে তো স্যার ক্যাপিটাল দেই না স্যার, তাহলে এখানে
কেন, কে বলছে ক্যাপিটাল দেই না? মানে তোমাকে কে বলেছে ক্যাপিটাল দেওয়া হয় না? কোথায় আছে ক্যাপিটাল দেওয়া হয় না? ক্লাস যখন নির্দিষ্ট ক্লাস, তুমি যদি এখন বলো ইংলিশ ক্লাস, তখন ইংলিশের ই ক্যাপিটাল ক্লাস হবে না। কিন্তু কোন নির্দিষ্ট ক্লাসে যখন পড়া বোঝায়, ক্লাস 5, যেমন যদি বলি যে হি রিডস ইন ক্লাস 5, এখানে ক্লাস সি ক্যাপিটাল, 5 এর এফ ক্যাপিটাল যদি বানান করে লেখো, আর যদি সংখ্যায় নিউমারাল 5 লেখো তাহলে তো 5। বুঝতে পেরেছো?
জি স্যার।
Do 141. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
না তোমরা হাত উঠানোই থাকে, আমি তো কনফিউশনে থাকি তোমাকে আগেরটার হাত উঠানো না পরের বার হাত উঠিয়েছো।
স্যার আমরা এটা শেষ হয়েছে দেখে হাত উঠাইছি।
Okay. Wait a minute for others. তোমাদের পুরো ক্লাস জুড়ে এখন আছেই 4 জন ছেলে, কিন্তু এদের কাছ থেকে আমি কোনো ধরনের রেসপন্স পাচ্ছি না। একবার শুধু সৈকত শেষ করতে পেরেছিল। আবির শুনতে পাচ্ছো?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing this or sleeping?
What is it, sir?
I have followed all. সবগুলো করতে পেরেছিলা?
শুরুতে একটা মিস হয়েছিল স্যার।
আহসান, আহসানের মাইক্রোফোন নেই। তাকবীর ইসলাম,
Yes, sir.
are you doing?
जी sir.
Okay, Abir, speak out on 41.
স্যার শেষ করিনি স্যার।
তাহলে পরশুদিন শেষ করো। Okay, then Priyanti, speak out on 95. Priyanti.
Antonio said, "This is not T bar hater." Antonio A bar hater said, "Comma, this T bar hater is not a problem." Comma, my friend, full stop. How much do you need? Question is bar hater. How much do you need? Question mark. Inverted shesh. 3000 T bar hater, 1000 T bar hater. Sorry, এটা উচ্চারণ কি?
Ducat.
Ducats.
Ducats.
Ducats. ডি বড় হাতের ফুল স্টপ, আবার ইনভার্টেড শুরু উইন্ডো কোশ্চেন মার্ক ইনভার্টেড শেষ।
কি বললা? কোটেশন মার্ক ইনভার্টেড এরকম কেমন কথা বললা?
ইনভার্টেড শুরু উইল ইউ আর ইনভার্টেড শেষ।
Okay, so say that ducats মানে হচ্ছে gold coins. Previously or formerly that was in use in the European countries. অর্থাৎ আগের দিনে ইউরোপিয়ান কান্ট্রিজ এটা স্বর্ণ মুদ্রা হিসেবে প্রচলন ছিল, যেটার নাম ছিল ducats. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So any
Yes, sir.
confusion in on 41? কারো কোনো কোথাও যে স্যার আমি এটাতে এটা দেইনি, ভুল হয়েছে এরকম কারো? Or everything is okay? Okay, if it is okay, do 142, and this is the final one for today. ফারিয়া কি পুরো বাক্যটা লেখো নাকি শুধু কমা ফুল স্টপ এভাবে বসিয়ে দাও? যে
স্যার পুরোটুকুই লিখি।
বাট উইদাউট
প্রথমে তাহলে পাঠিয়ে দিতে পারি, সমস্যা নেই।
যত দ্রুত লেখো আমার তো মনে হয় যে তুমি শুধু প্রথমে একটা কমা দাও তারপরে একটা কোটেশন মার্ক দাও এইভাবে শুধু পাংচুয়েশন ব্যবহার করে যাও
না স্যার পুরোটা লিখি।
ওকে Okay, Fariha, speak out as we don't have much time. So continue on 42.
Inverted comma started, aren't a capital, n এর পরে apostrophe, you going to attend English class, class এর পরে comma, তারপরে navy, lee, n capital, then inverted comma closes, then comma, Shamima asked, Shamima is capital, asked এর পরে full stop. Then inverted comma starts, I এর পরে apostrophe, going to the library to borrow books এর পর full stop, then inverted comma closes. Where আগে inverted comma starts, where W capital, are you going to borrow, why are you going to borrow during the class hours, hours এর পর question mark, then inverted comma closes. She said full stop.
So I think no difficulty here. I do believe that you have done very well in your punctuation marks and capital letters. So in our next class, we shall get started with another new topic from your grammar part. Because we don't have so much new items. আমাদের খুব বেশি item আর নতুন নেই. We have already practiced many of the new items in your classes. So keep connected. Inshallah, we shall learn another new topic tomorrow. Until then, Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.